Welcome to the 360 Response software, where we pride ourselves on creating a software for firefighters by firefighters. Our mission is to give firefighters as much information as possible in the shortest amount of time. Knowing this information before arriving on the fire scene makes us more efficient and helps us save time and save lives. The purpose of this video is to give a walkthrough of how to use the software effectively. Some of our key features are GPS navigation, hydrant location, street view, and a 360-degree overhead view of both the fire building and the fire hydrant. Let's get to our home page, where you have two options: to log into your account or to register a new user if you haven't already created an account. We recommend that you check the Keep Me Logged In button so that your device will automatically log you in once the app is opened. After you are logged in, you will be brought to a view of the map of your current location. You will have the search bar up top to enter your fire address, which we will get into later, as well as 4 options below. These options include Navigate, Hydrants, Notifications, and Profile. We'll begin by clicking on the Profile tab. Here you'll be able to select to receive notifications, change your password, update account information, and contact us through our messaging portal. Next, we'll head to our Notifications tab. Here is where you'll receive messages from our team with updates on the software. This tab is also important because any hydrant information that is updated will be displayed here. For example, if a hydrant status is changed from working to out of service, then the hydrant's location will be displayed here and say that the status is changed to out of service. Moving on, we'll click on the Navigate tab on the lower left-hand corner. A map will be displayed with a search bar at the top of the screen. Here we will type in the address of the fire building. As you type in the fire address, a drop-down menu will appear and will automatically fill in the rest of the address information. Once your address is selected, you will have 5 options regarding the fire building pop up immediately at the bottom of the screen. These options include Navigate, 3D View, Street View. Then you will have a button that looks like a flame and another button that looks like a bullseye, both located on the lower right-hand side. The Navigate button will give you 2 options: to use GPS navigation through the app, which uses Waze technology, or to be brought to an external app of your choice. The 3D view will provide an overhead view of the fire building, providing 3D pictures of all 4 sides of the fire building. There will also be the option to view the 3D overhead view in Google Earth, which will provide a fly-around view of the fire building. This is important to locate any obstacles and hurdles that may be present. These would include location of fire escapes, the shape of the building, anything hindering roof operations, setbacks, and etc. The street view will give you a clear view of the front of your fire building. This is important because you can get an idea for what type of building construction you will be heading into, or are there any other obstacles may be present for the ladder company chauffeur, such as trees, overhead wires, houses setback far from the street, etc. The flame button will automatically center the map onto the fire building, and the bullseye button will automatically center the map onto your exact location. Our last feature, and most important, is our hydrant feature. The tab is located between the Navigate and Notification tabs. Here you'll see hydrant beacons dropped to indicate where each hydrant is located in conjunction with our fire building. Please see one of our tutorial videos on how to access and upload your department's hydrant coordinates. Hydrants will be identified by 3 separate colors: green, which indicates a working hydrant; red, which indicates a hydrant that is out of service; and amber, which indicates a hydrant whose status is unknown and needs updating. Clicking on a hydrant will give important detailed information regarding our working hydrant. This information includes how far the hydrant is from the fire building in distance and duration, the hydrant status, and the address the hydrant is located in front of. A street view and 360 overhead view of the hydrant's location is also available. You can also choose to navigate straight to the hydrant address through the 360 Response software or an external software of your choice, if an engine company chauffeur working is unfamiliar with the area. In the upper right-hand corner, you can also access a list view of hydrants in the area. This is especially important if an amber hydrant pops up and needs to be checked. Once the hydrant is checked, working or out of service, the proper beacon can be placed on the hydrant and you'll see its status change instantly. Thank you for choosing the 360 Response software to assist you in saving time and saving lives. This concludes our training video. Stay tuned to our website and social media pages for updates, as well as additional training videos. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at any social media outlet, or your sales rep will put you in touch with one of our firefighters from our development team. Thank you and stay safe.